Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 17th, 2021. Riot blockchain. Can we expect a big pullback in this market? I mean, I want you all to look at the stock chart right now for Riot blockchain and answer that question. I mean, are we due for a big pullback? You guys can see that I did a price prediction in the market in Riot not long ago, and the market has quickly changed its course from going up to coming back down. We can't say that we wasn't surprised because you guys can see my horizontal line around that $40 price target. I told you all then that, yeah, the market can get rejected right there. So let's speak on that today. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We are here to give you all price predictions without the confusion so that you can learn as much as possible for yourself. I want you all to visually see this. I want you all to actually know that there are people out here in the world that is able to do price prediction without confusing you. You happily stumbled upon this channel. So yeah, appreciate you all stopping by. You guys want to keep it locked in here, like I said, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Now, let me tell you all, November the 25th was the last time I did a video in Riot, and I was telling you all then to look for this price to go up, right? Go back and listen to it. It's in our Riot blockchain playlist. Now, we wasn't extremely bullish into the market in Riot. As a matter of fact, we really didn't have a lot of time to even win off that play, off that prediction, right? We was looking for the market to go up. We said that $40 would have to be the first area for us to nibble and profit from. That's around 8.5%. Did you take advantage of that on November the 30th or December the 1st? Those are the only two times we had for us to grab 8%. That was it. Since then, market price in Riot has pulled back. Yeah, we went from $40 to where we are now trading around $23.30. So if you wasn't able to grab that 8.5% out the market now or on those 2 days, yeah, you'd be down 35%. Now, at some point, if we're still anticipating market weakness, this 35% isn't bad. This is where you're going to minimize the loss if we're still looking at weakness. If we're not, and you guys expect the market in Riot just to continue to trade within this trading channel, then yeah, we're just at the bottom of the trading channel. We would expect the price to start to come back up, right? So let's try to figure it out to see whether or not we need to take the 35% loss, or can we keep it on going under the premise that price is going to come back up to where we can reduce that loss, right? So let's try to figure that out. Okay. So now you guys can see back here, the market in Riot was able to hit $45. We wasn't able to do it the second go around. We couldn't do it. So we now know that $40 is restriction. It's a pretty strong area to where the sellers are at. We got it. We can see that. Okay. Now, let's try to figure out if we're getting weakness still. Okay. So let me zoom in. This is the 3-day price chart. Every price bar we see is 3 days worth of price action, right? Now, we're at a very good spot for us to see buyers step in. So what I want us to try to figure out is, okay, are we getting buyers stepping in the market in Riot right here around $24? You really don't see it too much on the 3-day. You kind of see it on the 2-day time frame, but there's still selling going on. What about on the 5-day? This is the 5-day time frame. What about on the weekly? We got 8 hours and 29 minutes left. And if we were to see the price in Riot blockchain continue to close lower towards the low of this weekly price bar, then yeah, we need to be prepared for price to go lower, right? This is the 2 weeks. The 2-week time frame is definitely showing us weakness. Okay, it is. Now, we need to be prepared for this though. I'm not here to cause you all no fear, no FUD, no FOMO. We saw weakness start in Riot back here. October the 25th is the amount of time we've been seeing price go down in Riot. So do you think it's over? Because if the buyers are not going to step in at $24, we need to move this down here then to 20. That would have to be the next location. And looking at this from a 2-week perspective, it looked like the market may try to hit $20. This is the 3 weeks time frame. This 3 weekly price bar that started on November the 15th is definitely worrisome for us to see from that time frame. Now, it doesn't mean that price in Riot is not going to go up on certain daily time frames. Yeah, price is expected to go up on certain days. But when I look at this on a 3 weeks time frame, this is definitely showing us some weakness. So we have weakness on 2 weeks. We're seeing weakness on the 3 weekly time frame. Definitely here on the 5 week time frame. Yes, this is weak right now. And again, we got 8 hours and 27 minutes. So anything can happen within that time frame. But literally, we had a very crucial spot in Riot. Okay. So I'm playing in weakness now. Yes. This on a 5 week time frame is massively weak. Now, I'm looking for the market just to come to 20 though, right? Right now, I'm looking for the market to try to bounce at $20. But if we're able to see price break 20, okay, we break 20, the next level that we need to be paying attention to is around $16, and then no lower than 10. Now, I'm not going to put that on a price prediction right now, but I mean, from a long-term perspective, you got to anticipate that, right? So now, let me take it back over to the daily, okay? Because we like to watch the market on a daily basis. So we said that our first spot would be around 20, okay? And the market in Riot definitely would have to break through some areas of restriction, namely right here, around $28, $29. That would have to be our ultimate area of restriction in space. I would actually take around 32. Okay. Now for us to eat off the play, like I said, the first spot that I'm looking for the buyers to step in is going to be around 20. That's the first spot. So that gives us around 16% profitability in that movement. Okay. It might be a little bit higher, but it's around that vicinity. That's the first spot, $20. Second area, it's going to be around like $16.45, maybe $16.50. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm playing this prediction on a longer term basis. I'm seeing the weakness on 2 weeks and 3 weeks time frame, definitely on the 5 weekly time frame. So we got to give the market at least that time to run its play. It doesn't mean that today, tomorrow, even beginning of next week, price could go back up. Yeah, it could. But as long as we don't see the price break 32, we understand that the weakness is still dominating this market in Riot. Okay. So now, this is my price prediction update into the market in Riot. Am I still expecting a pullback? Am I still expecting price to go down? Yes, I am. I have given you all 2 areas though. $20 first, right? I can literally expect the buyers to try to prop up the price in Riot right around here. So before the market starts to go back up, why not eat off that play around 20? That gives us around 15%. Second area is around $16.45, which is like another 30% movement to the downside. All right, now it's your turn. Drop your price prediction right now in the comment section of this video and tell me where do you think the market is going to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Where will the market price be in Riot? Let everyone know, right? Tell us. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.